Find the equation of the line with a slope of -2 and crossing the point 2, -1. When you know the slope of the line and one point on the line, use the point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. There are three values you need: m, which is the slope of the line, x1, which is the x-coordinate, and y1, which is the y-coordinate. Plug these values into the point-slope form. So we get y minus -1 equals -2 times the quantity x minus 2. Simplifying, we get y plus 1, and we distribute the -2 to both terms. So we get -2x minus -2 times 2. Simplifying further, we get y plus 1 equals -2x, and then -2 is a positive 2 times 2 is a positive 4. So we get plus 4. All that's left is to get rid of this term, this plus 1 term. So we subtract 1 from both sides, or we add a -1 to both sides. So we get y equals -2x plus 4 plus a -1. Simplifying, we get the slope-intercept form. Y equals -2x plus 4 plus -1 is plus 3. And this is the graph of the line that passes through this point.